Yo, what up, son? What's good? You know I go already, son. I'm just sitting here on the ends. I go on hold a meditation, dog. Yeah, everything's still in operation, kind of slow motion still, dog. I really know which way it's gonna go still, but we still got the upper hand. I know from I'm on the road, nothing can happen bad. Got the place on the thing. I know how to keep it easy. I ain't gotta use no aggression in the place. Yeah, upper hand. Don't forget, we still got the thumb drive. From we have that, we always have the leverage. And as soon as I get back my documents and everything, I bring y'all a road 1-1. Same way I got a road, same way I'm gonna bring y'all a road, and we're gonna tear down the place. I know it already. Who, him? You know that nigga just a means to an end, son. You know we doing this thing. You know we blood for life. Yeah, we get his thumb drive, we have our thumb drive. Well, we get the documents and everything, we tear down the place, bring y'all back a road. I promise you that. From me have life, y'all always have options. Yeah, son, you know that nigga? That nigga's a button pusher. That nigga now come out here. He a danger out here, son. That nigga's a pencil pusher. But you know how life goes still. Yeah, son. Life nice. Hold up a minute. No, nothing, son. It's a little vehicle I reverse. But out in place, you have to keep your eyes open, you know? You know, I don't too trust nobody still, son. You know I go already, son. We blood for life. From on my road, you soon come on road. I promise you that, on my life. Yo, son, speak of the devil, I'll soon call you back. Here's paper pushing now. Yeah, big up yourself. What's up, my boss? What? Happy to hear from you. Everything good?
Everything balanced, you know. But tell me something. Is it that you're getting slow or you're just getting old?
Why you would say some shit like that, nigga?
Realize say you love wear the color red. Watch a big bob lady, man. How you look for see?
Oh, shit. How you treat a dog, son? Couldn't even let me know y'all come to Jamaica. What type of private flight I going with you?
Well, you know me, it's a need to know basis, and you just never need to know.
So it's like that.
Me send you an RG down here for you something. And the two can't make one.
Honestly, my general, to me, abroad have our own agenda. And I ain't in no dick measuring contest with no female. Seriously.
But that's why I'm saying you to supervise she.
How she act like she's supervising me?
You see what I mean? Here what? New orders. RG job is to get rid of Mullins. Your new assignment is to get rid of RG after she's done. And I will have to get savage.
But you know you're forgetting the most important thing about this. You want to kill the goose before it lays that golden egg. Don't forget that thumb drive. He still has his part. I have mine. He has his part with the access codes. I'm not willing to lose so much money. Too much time in prison, too much hard work, too much sacrifice. I want my share. You can do anything you want to do, but I want my money.
I like your passion. And for the first time, you're actually right. But just remember one thing. If you slip, you slide right back in prison.